Hola niños y niñas, les voy a enseñar cómo completar su trabajo de matemáticas para hoy. La primera cosa es, si su ventana está cerrada así que está toda la pantalla con el trabajo, tienen que buscar el botón ESC para que se le abra la ventana y pueda ver todos los trabajos aquí en el lado. Es muy importante, si no lo abren no van a poder arrastrar o escribir en los trabajos. Es muy importante que lo abran. Sus primeros cuantos trabajos van a contar las mariquitas y luego escoger el número correcto. Si hay 5, van a seleccionar el 5 y arrastrarlo a la caja vacía. Y van a hacer lo mismo para los trabajos que siguen. Aquí su trabajo es contar cuántos barcos hay en la tarjeta. Y si hay 10, lo van a poner debajo del número 10. Si no hay 10, lo van a poner abajo de aquí que dice no 10. Aquí van a contar los pájaros y arrastrar el número que le corresponde a la caja gris. Y aquí es otro trabajo que van a arrastrar el número que les falta a la caja blanca. Si falta el 5, lo van a seleccionar y arrastrarlo allí. Si falta el 1, lo van a poner allí, el 10 o el 2. Y tienen algunos trabajos así. Y luego al última, otra vez que pongan el botón de presentar para que tome toda la ventana. Y así cuando lleguen a videos, se puedan ver más grandes y empiezan a jugar ellos solos. No puedo ver cómo completas tu trabajo. Hi boys and girls, I'm going to explain to you your instructions to complete your math assignment for today. So you're here and the video will be uploaded in the sections. So your first job, especially if you have your window open just like this, taking up your whole screen, you need to find the button that has ESC on it, the escape button. Once you click on that, it's going to open up your window and you're going to be able to see all the work that you have to do for the day. It's very important that you open it. Otherwise, it's not going to let you drag the boxes or type into any of the boxes or anything like that. So it's very important that you have the window open so you could complete your tasks. So the first thing is that you have some ladybugs. You're going to go ahead and count them and then find the number of ladybugs that there is. For example, if there's 5, I'm going to click on it and then I'm going to drag it into the empty space. Remember, if you forget the instructions or you forget this video, there's always the text box the audio box that reads the instructions for you. You're going to count the ladybugs for a few of the slides, then you're going to come to this slide. And you're going to have a lot of cards down here, but you're only able to see one at a time. So you have to sort these cards. If there's 10 ships in the card, you're going to drag it under the number 10. If there's not 10 ships, then you're going to drag it under the side that says not 10. So that's your next job, and make sure you do all the cards. Like I said, there's cards under, so you have to make sure you're counting them. Make sure you count twice to check your work and your counting. The next one, you're counting the toucans or the birds, and you have to drag the number under the appropriate box. If there's 10 here, you have to drag the 10 here, the number 10. If there's 5, you have to drag the 5. And remember, there's always an audio box somewhere on the page to help you out if you forget the instructions. Here, it's a little bit more of what number is missing, so you're going to do the same thing. If the number 5 is missing, you're going to select it and drag it to the box. If the number 1 is missing, you're going to drag that there. So that's how you do that, but remember you're only choosing one number that is missing. And you're going to do that for a couple of slides. And then when you come here, you could go ahead and press the present button so you're able to look at the window nice and big. I can't wait to see your work.